In this video, I'm going to show you how to make preserved duck egg, dry scallop, and pork congee. I'm going to use this previously marinated pork and previously cooked rice from my refrigerator and use the preserved duck egg plus the dry scallop. I put the previously cooked rice into the pot and then add water. This is hot water from my water kettle. The hot water will make the congee cook faster. You should put enough water for the amount of congee that you want to make. This is the amount of water I put in. Turn on the fire. Cover the pot to let the water boil. Because it was hot water, the water will boil in about 1 minute. I want to show you that the water will bubble up and it will spill out of the pot. You need to be very careful to make sure the water don't spill out of the pot. You can put a chopstick to leave a gap between the cover and the pot. Then the water won't spill. I soften the dry scallop by putting it into the microwave for 1 minute. After it comes out of the microwave, I pour away the water and pick the scallop apart. I am going to use one preserved duck egg. This is how it looks like after you cut open the duck egg shell. Use a knife to cut the duck egg into pieces. After the congee boils for about 15 minutes, I put in the dry scallop. Cover the congee to boil for 5 minutes. Now I add the marinated pork in. Use a chopstick or a spoon to put the marinated pork into the congee. Make sure all the porks are separated but not stuck together. Cover the pot to boil the congee with the pot for 10 minutes. Then I add in the preserved duck egg. Use a chopstick or a spoon to stir everything together and then cover the pot. Boil for another 5 minutes. The congee is ready. Turn off the fire. The congee can be eaten by adding a little soy sauce and white pepper powder. I added some soy sauce and white pepper powder onto the congee. Since the pork was marinated, it is soft, tender, smooth, and tasty. That makes the congee more delicious.